Welcome back to my channel, guys, and in today's video I will be doing some curry chicken stuffed plantain cups. And for this recipe we're going to start with seasoning our chicken. So here I have some chicken thighs, and I'll be using some green seasoning, some allspice berries, better than bouillon seasoning, salt and pepper. I also have back here my oil, garlic powder, onion powder, curry seasoning, smoked paprika, and some poultry seasoning. Let's get right to it. And first I'm going in with that salt and black pepper, followed by the green seasoning. Next I'm going in with some garlic powder, poultry seasoning, some smoked paprika, and one of my most faves right now, the better than bouillon roasted chicken base. I go in with about 2 teaspoons. So I went ahead and I grounded the allspice berries, and I'm going to be adding it as well. I also have a little piece of ginger that I'm just going to grate to add in here as well. And lastly, we're going in with our olive oil. So now we just mix. So I'm going to cover this with some plastic wrap, allow it to marinate for 1 to 2 hours, and then we'll be back to start cooking it. Now in the meantime, we're going to get the plantain ready, the green plantains, and I'm going to be making the cups. So once the curry chicken is done, we can just start pouring them straight into there. And now we move on to the plantain, and I'm just going to start to go in with my green plantains. And now I'm just going to remove the plantain. And over here I have a bowl that has salt and some chicken seasoning. So I put the plantain in there, and now I'm going to put it through that lemon squeezer to shape it into a cup. And this is how perfect it looks after going through the lemon squeezer. I'm going to do the rest off camera, and I'll be right back. And here are the cups. I'm going to put them right back into that oil to fry again. And back into the oil they go. I put them in this way so they can cook from the inside out, and then I'll drain that oil out and turn it over. Now I can start to take them out. They are perfectly cooked, and I'm going to place it on paper towels upside down so we can drain excess oil. And then we're going to move on to the curry chicken. So first I'm going in with some coconut oil. Next I go in with the curry powder. Next I'm adding some green seasoning. Now we're going to start to go in with those pieces of chicken. Now the same container that the chicken was marinating in, I went ahead and added some hot water and some salt as well. And I'll be adding that right in. So it's been going for about 20 to 25 minutes. And now I'm gonna go in with a bit more seasoning and then the potato and carrots. So in here I have parsley, thyme, onion, garlic, bell peppers, and seasoning peppers. And I'm going to be adding it to this. Now the carrots tend to add a little bit of sweetness to any food that you add it to. So what I do, I continue to let it stew for a bit, and then I go back in with a little bit of salt and black pepper, more towards the end. And these are the plantain cups stuffed with curry chicken. They are looking so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video and you like my content, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you guys tuned in to my next video. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.